Happy spring! I'm super excited to share with you the new March limited edition products, including the new spa robe. Check this out, you guys. It's about knee length. It's got drop sleeves. It works on most body types. And I love the cute little teal fringe. I have to tell you, teal's probably my favorite color and super cute that way. It is very soft and it has the Norwex microfiber. All right, next up, let's talk about this. The new color in the Norwex bath towel. This is so soft, you guys. You have to try this out. I love the bath towels because they're a great size, and I think this is a super fun spring color. Again, it does have the Norwex BacLock technology, so you don't have to be washing bath towels constantly. I give each of my children their own hook to hang their towel choice of color on it. And to match with it, the Norwex hand towel. If you hate sour, stinky hand towels, then you are going to love the Norwex hand towels. Also in our March lineup are the diamond weave kitchen cloth and towel set in teal. So you're gonna see it has like the diamond weaved on one side and then the more traditional weave on this side, super absorbent. It is my favorite in my own kitchen, and then it has the kitchen cloth to match, of course. Next up, the travel bag, and this is great on so many fronts. First of all, it does have that water-resistant interior, and so I know you guys probably are already carrying around mini Enviro cloths, travel size, and I like to have a spray bottle of water with me, and also it's handy for carrying things like your lip balm, which by the way, this is the Norwex Sunscreen lip balm. Love it. And then of course, we don't want to be using the plastic straws, so it's a perfect carrying case for your stainless steel straws as well. So those are the new March products. Let's talk about the other spring products that have been added to the catalog, including the Lysere Skincare Line. My favorite skincare I have used to date. Love it. So it has the 4 products, the Lasserre Illuminating Oil, and you've got your eye cream, and then you have your daily moisture and your night recovery cream. And you want to start with the thinnest, so you can start with the Lasserre Illuminating Oil first, a light layer of that. I particularly like that on my neck area. Then move to your eye cream. I put 1 pump on my ring finger. Do this and go around the eye and over the eye. 1 pump is perfect. And then, of course, based on day or night, you choose the day moisture or the night cream. Now, what I love is my skin seems to just drink in the nutrition and the moisture without feeling greasy or like I have something on my skin. It also goes on great below the makeup. So also, one more thing is the cleansing step will be the body cloth or the makeup removal cloth or the facial pads that have one side that is body cloth and one side that's makeup removal cloth, okay? Next up, oh my goodness, the handheld cleaning system. This is the window cloth on this mop pad, and it is interchangeable with your mop system. I like to lock it in place, spray the window. It's great for paw prints, nose prints that your fur babies might leave behind, fingerprints from the kiddos. It also has this in the handle for those little like keyboards or things that you're trying to clean that way. Just water works amazing. And dishwasher detergent and rinse aid. You guys have got to try this. This is our Ultrazyme. So it does have enzyme technology to really break down that food that's left behind on your dishes. And then of course the rinse aid plus, where it just goes where you would put your usual rinse aid. Definitely give that a try. Next up is our Sport Utility cloth with the BacLock technology. This is great because it has a net side for a little bit more scrub. You've got kind of your polishing side. It has the carabiner. And then what's fun is it actually can be opened if you want to keep golf balls or tennis balls or whatever just needs to be tools to be kept in. And you can keep that in your car, in your garage, and it makes a great gift. Speaking of gifts, we have the Car Wash Mitt in a fun new color. And any car fanatics in your life, this is like the perfect gift, right? So you wet this with just water, clean your vehicle. It is made to be safe for car paint. And then you'll polish dry with your choice of either the car cloth, which is very smooth, will shine it up, or the dry and buff car cloth that has a little bit more absorbency to it. And last but not least, let's talk about the littles in our life, those little babies at bath time, and the perfect gift for new parents. So we've got the hooded baby bath towel, again, with that amazing BacLock technology in it, the washcloth to match, these adorable kerchief bibs. They come 3 to a pack. Perfect. Also, if you have any drooling babies, right? That's a great drool catcher. And then the bath brush, which is super soft for their scalp and their body during bath time. That's what I've got for you with the new products. It is springtime, which means spring cleaning. So be sure to visit my blog, replacechemicals.com, for a great, thorough spring cleaning checklist. And comment below with which product you would love to see next from Norwex.